country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are
My brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be
I shall always strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and elders
and all elders
respect, and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
And now, I welcome our beloved band to greet the audience on this special occasion.
Right, good morning to you all. So, first of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. And those present here, thank you for coming down in the rain. It's our duty, you all felt. I'm very happy about it. So, in spite of this continuous rain, we are all here because we love our country. That is what I have understood, right? So I thank both the students and the others who have joined us in the celebration, and those coming online to join us in celebrating this wonderful day. We have finished 73 years of independence, and this is the 74th year that we are celebrating Independence Day. So every year we celebrate, we have to remember the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. We should never forget that they have sacrificed their lives, spent all their lifetime in bringing freedom for us. So when we heard that this corona has come even to our country and very close to us, we might, you and me, we all were scared that, this might take away our life, right? So our life is so precious, and we took all the possible care. We wore masks, we maintained social distance, we didn't go out much, we tried to follow all the rules so that we will be safe, and that this corona will not come into our life, it will not infect us, correct? But when we were so worried about our life, imagine those freedom fighters who selflessly fought and gave that precious life only to save us all from the slavery of the British. So freedom we have got, we are all very happy, but it was not so easy to get. So you should always thank God for those freedom fighters who came, fought and brought this independence for us. And if something like this, corona comes into our life, our whole life has come to a standstill. So sometimes we take pride maybe in our riches, that we are very knowledgeable, that we have many positions and all. But you have seen, when the virus came, it didn't have any difference, rich, poor and all. So whatever we brag, we boast, nothing will remain with us. Correct? So we should remember that to humble ourselves always, and we have learned many lessons during this lockdown also. We have started reflecting on life. Actually, we were all so busy with our routine work, so monotonous it was. Do this, do that, and so busy. Maybe God wanted us all to give time for ourselves, for our family, and He brought us to a standstill to teach something to us. So many of us with the fear have turned to God. That's very good, and in God we all hope, and we pray that nothing will touch us and nothing can overcome us, nothing can defeat us if we rely on God. That is one thing we have seen, and we have seen people spending lot of amounts on different unnecessary things. One said, when the poor are really suffering in this independent India, we are free, but how far the poor are really happy? How far we are able to keep them happy? So we have got freedom. Each one is bothered about himself, earning, living a happy life, good life. Maybe there are many who are doing good work, I don't say no, but most of us are so engrossed in our own selfish desires and needs and all. Maybe this virus has brought a break to that and made us reflect, made us think about each and everyone. Even the world has united itself to fight against this virus. So this virus has brought a kind of unity even in the world, peace and some rest to the mind, and so much of happiness in the families. I understand many must be going through financial crisis, but still we have learned so many lessons through the negative thing that has happened. So let us not look at the negative things, right? See the freedom fighters, amidst all the odds, they were jailed, they were beaten, they were killed, they were, harassed to the large extent, but still they showed their bravery, they fought and they won. Right? It took time, but still, but we should remember that they won. Right? So things will happen in our life. Many things will come and go, but we should remember to be brave. See, many have got scared of the virus. So many committed suicide. Many have died out of fear. But what we learned today on this Independence Day is, see the freedom fighters. They so bravely fought each and everything. So we should also learn something from their lives. We also should be bold, brave, and fight everything in our life against all odds and come out victorious. So in this free, independent India, what we have to do is, we should try to follow all the rules clear, and whatever the rules, as students you will follow the rules laid down by the school, and as citizens we follow the rules laid down by the constitution, which is being implemented by the government. We should all do our best as a citizen. We should not think he is doing, he is not doing, she is not doing. We should not talk about others. Whether we are doing or not is what we have to reflect today. So each one plays his own part in following the rules, in helping the poor, in fighting corruption, especially, which is so widespread like cancer in India. Each one of us, we play our role properly, perfectly. I am sure we can all fight this corruption and other evils that we are seeing in this free India. We have got freedom, but still there is poverty. There is so much corruption, so many evils are still there in India. So how to fight it? Something government has to do. Something someone has to do is what each one feels, but no. We want to see the change. If we want to see the change, we have to be the change. And that is what we learn. So on this Independence Day, we remember, because most of us are working from home, are staying at home, and we are facing all kinds of problems. But remember, everything will pass away. Even this problem faced also will pass away. Everything will be fine. We only have to be strong mentally, physically, and with God's grace, every day we have to face each day, and we should come out victorious. And even if by chance somewhere we are infected, remember, God's grace, we will all be saved and healed. Nothing to worry, and don't panic, don't get scared. Out of fear, don't land into health problems. So be bold, not only in facing this virus, but each and every situation in our daily life. Also, as students, I want you all to follow all the rules, okay? And do your best to be a very good citizen of this country. That is what our school always aims at. Thank you, children and parents, all who have joined us, and those who have come here to physically attend this program. I once again thank you all, and I would like to quote that life is very precious every minute. So the rising death toll of the virus, very few are dying, of course. Many are recovering, many are infected, but many are recovering. Remember, very few have died, but when we are careful, everything will be fine. So we remember this quote, man is like a breath, his days are like a passing shadow. Just as the shadow quickly fades, so do our lives. Right, so we should not live as if we are permanent in this world, thinking of ourselves being selfish. But we learn so many things from the freedom fighters. So our life is nothing. If God thinks or if nature does anything, in no moment we all pass away like a shadow. But as long as we live, we will make our lives very useful to our country, to our family, and to our neighbors. We will love and do the best that we can do as a student, as a citizen of this country. So happy Independence Day, children, and happy Independence Day to all those watching the YouTube, to all my dear staff whom we cannot meet And I know, I'm sure you're all missing school. So happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe, and fight every odd in life with courage and boldness, children, and all my staff. So happy Independence Day to all of you. God bless you all. Make kuda all happy Independence Day. Okay? God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wishes and words of inspiration. We now have a patriotic song by the school staff choir.
जननी हमारे भारत माता हम करें तेरी आराधना। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। हम करें तेरी आराधना, शान तेरी बढ़ाए, मान तेरा बढ़े, लो हमारा सलाम, पुण्य भूमि कर्म भूमि भारत माता। सगा पा गरी मगा पा डरी सा, सगा पा गरी मगा पा डरी सा गरी सा गरी सा। వెలుగుదారి వంక తలుపు తెరుచుకొని ప్రేమ త్యాగం పంచి సతత జ్ఞాన జ్యోతిలో వెలుగుదారి వంక తలుపు తెరుచుకొని లోకాలన్నిటా శాంతి సౌఖ్యము ఒక్కటే లక్ష్యమై సాగరే జయమై సామవేద గాన నాద జయ జై హింద్ వందనం జనని అభివందనం పలుకుదాం ధరణి చెరులందరం ప్రణవ మంత్రానికి ప్రాణమీ భారతం జగతి సర్వానికి వేదనాద జీవనాల దేశం సజని దని సగని దని वंदनीय भारत माता हे मेरा इंडिया हे प्यारा प्यारा इंडिया सबसे प्यारा इंडिया लो हम सबका प्रणाम हे मेरा इंडिया हे प्यारा प्यारा इंडिया सबसे प्यारा इंडिया लो हम सबका प्रणाम सदा गवा बना दनी रवा गवा बना दनी निसनी गपदनी सनी दसा गपदनी सनी दसा गपदनी सनी भारत है महान भारत है महान.
That was a great tribute to our motherland. Thank you, teachers. I once again call upon Master Tharu to deliver his speech in Telugu.
గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు నా తోటి విద్యార్థులకు ముందుగా స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. సమర యోధుల పోరాట బలం, అమరవీరుల త్యాగఫలం, బ్రిటిష్ పాలకులపై తిరుగులేని విజయం మన స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవం. ఈరోజు ఆగస్టు 15 మనందరి జెండా పండుగ. మనకు 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న స్వాతంత్రం లభించింది. సుమారు 200 సంవత్సరాలు ప్రజలు బ్రిటిష్ పాలకుల కింద ఎన్నో కష్టాలను అనుభవించారు. ఈరోజు బ్రిటిష్ పాలకుల నుండి మనకు స్వేచ్ఛ లభించిన రోజు. ఈరోజు మనం 74వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుండి మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం లభించడానికి గాంధీజీ, జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ, అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, భగత్ సింగ్ వంటి ఎంతోమంది మహనీయులు కృషి చేశారు. మరియు ఎంతోమంది స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు తమ ప్రాణాలను అర్పించి స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సాధించారు. కాబట్టి ఈరోజు మనం అందరం వారిని జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకుంటూ వారికి నివాళులు అర్పించవలసిన అవసరం ఉంది. మన భారతదేశం ఎంతోమంది ఋషులు, మహాకవులు, మేధావులు, శాస్త్రజ్ఞులు, పరాక్రమం కలిగిన రాజులు పుట్టిన పుణ్యసీమ. ఎంతోమంది శాస్త్రవేత్తలు మన దేశ గౌరవాన్ని కీర్తి శిఖరాలపై నిలిపారు. పాడి పంటలు, సిరి సంపదలు గల భాగ్యదేశం మన భారతదేశం. ఇంత గొప్ప దేశంలో పుట్టిన మనం క్రమశిక్షణతో చక్కగా చదువుకొని దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి పథం వైపు నడిపించాలి. మన దేశంలో సంపూర్ణ అక్షరాస్యతను మనం సాధించాలి. మరియు దేశంలో జరుగుతున్న అన్యాయాలను, అరాచకాలను అరికట్టి మన దేశ రక్షణ భద్రత చర్యలను మనం కాపాడాల్సిన బాధ్యత మన అందరిపైన ఉంది. మరియు ఆడపిల్లల పట్ల వివక్ష చూపకుండా వారిని గౌరవించి మన దేశ గౌరవాన్ని కాపాడాల్సిన బాధ్యత మన ప్రతి ఒక్కరిది. నేటి బాలలే రేపటి పౌరులు. కాబట్టి మనకు లభించిన ఈ స్వాతంత్రాన్ని మనం బాధ్యతాయుతంగా కాపాడుకుంటూ మన దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి చెందడానికి మన వంతు సేవ మనం చేయాలి. మన దేశం భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం కలిగిన దేశం. ఎన్ని తేడాలున్నా, ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా దేశం అంటే ఏకమవుదాం, మన దేశాన్ని కాపాడుదాం. వందే మాతరం. నాకు ఇంత మంచి అవకాశాన్ని కల్పించిన ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం గారికి ప్రత్యేకమైన వందనాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ నా ఈ చిన్న ఉపన్యాసాన్ని ముగిస్తున్నాను. జై హింద్.
Thank you, Taran. Well said. Now Ms. Ansela will present her speech in English.
We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year This day is the most auspicious day for the people of India as India became independent after a lot of struggles and hardships of our great freedom fighters. From then, 15th of August became a very important day in the national history and also in the hearts of Indians. A very good morning and a hearty welcome to our respected principal madam, teachers and my dear friends. I am glad to celebrate the 73rd Independence Day with all of you. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire. This day is celebrated with full of patriotism all over the nation. Our first Prime Minister, Sir Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted our tricolour in New Delhi for the first time. From then on, we celebrate Independence Day every year in remembrance of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our nation. We should remember and thank our freedom fighters who fought for this country till their last breath. We being citizens of this great nation, it is our responsibility to keep our roads and community clean and also maintaining traffic. We can also help the poor. We should also fight all the odds like our brave freedom fighters. Today we face the challenge of corruption. We being responsible citizens should pledge to make India a corruption-free nation. We being future citizens should serve the nation justly. A responsible citizen is the one who values the nation. Thus, I would like to conclude my speech by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ansela. Yes, our forefathers bought our freedom with their hard work and sacrifice. Now, we must work hard to create a better nation for generations that follow. With that, we bring down the curtains on today's program. I take this opportunity to thank all those who have assembled here and online to be a part of our celebration. I also thank our Almighty God for His grace. In spite of unfavorable weather today, we could celebrate and honor the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. I wish you all a happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind.
So, stay home, stay safe children. Happy Independence Day once again. God bless you all.